Want to grow jumbo-sized succulent produce? It's easier than you think. According to the Guinness Book of World Records, Dan Sutherland of Walla Walla, Washington, is the reigning tomato king. In 2016, he cultivated a whopping 8-pound 9-ounce tomato. While it may seem like an extraordinary feat, there are several common practices you can implement to increase the size of many common homegrown vegetables. Watch the video if you are intrigued. Start with high-quality soil. One of the most crucial steps is to start with nutrient-rich, well-drained soil. This provides a solid foundation for optimal plant growth and fruit development. Ensure ample sunlight. Most vegetables thrive in warm, sunny environments. Adequate sunlight is essential for photosynthesis, which drives plant growth and fruit production. Choose proven hybrids. Genetics play a significant role in fruit size. Opt for varieties known for producing large fruits based on previous cultivation records. Maintain consistent moisture. Regular watering is essential to maintain a moist soil environment that supports healthy plant growth and fruit development. Provide adequate spacing. Follow planting instructions carefully to ensure proper spacing between plants. Thinning seedlings is crucial to prevent overcrowding and promote larger fruit development. Minimize stress factors. Protect your plants from stress factors such as drought, nutrient deficiency, extreme weather conditions, or any other form of stress that could hinder the growth and fruit production. Nourishing with fertilizers. High-quality fertilizers provide the essential nutrients plants need for healthy growth and evident fruit production. Wonder LLC offers a range of custom-formulated foliar fertilizers tailored to specific crops. Visit our website to explore our product catalog and find the perfect fertilizer for your needs. Practice selective pruning and flower removal. For certain vegetables like tomatoes, selective pruning and flower removal can encourage the plant to focus its energy on producing fewer but larger fruits. This technique may not be necessary for other vegetables within seemingly endless fruiting cycles, such as zucchini. By following these simple yet effective tips, you can transform your garden into a heaven for producing jumbo-sized, mother-watering vegetables.